This is your description for a knee car while in hip extension. So remember, our knee car is rotation of the tibia and flexion and extension of the knee, which we're going to do in hip extension. So I'm going to lay on the floor. Now, to make sure I'm not using my lumbar spine, I'm going to squeeze my glutes and tuck my tailbone, and I'm going to try to maintain that so I can feel glute tension while I go through my knee car. So with my knee slightly bent, I'm going to rotate the tibia externally and flex my knee, internally rotate the tibia and extend my knee. Repeat again. Now I'm going to close that circle in reverse. Again, rotation, flexion, rotation the opposite way, and extension, closing the circle. That was 2 reps, so just repeat that desired number of reps for both knees.